This conference will now be recorded.
Batch is going to start from 8th September 2025. The class timings morning 8:45 a.m. to 9:45 a.m. The contact number 9538160185. So the company website www.nandinisoftware.com. So the highlights of this training institute will provide you each class recordings, online training, live classes, real-time scenarios, will explain materials, will provide project explanation we can do, resume preparation, mark controls, doubts and clarifications, intro questions and answers we are explaining. Most of the questions in intro, it will come from this intro questions and answers. So this is my YouTube channel. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. The contact number 958160115 for more details. Thank you.